the next guy we're going to go to is a fish. Now, in the simplest form, a fish can be one line going up like that, one line down like that, and then you've got a fish. Okay, we're just going to go into a little bit more detail with this fish here. So we're going to do the upper line, but instead of crossing over, we're going to kick back up for its legs, which sort of looks like what you'd imagine a mermaid's legs might be. So we're going to start here, and with the lip here, we're just going to start like that, little scoop, go up, right, down, and then you're going to kick up like that for the top of the leg. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to turn it over. Now, when you do yours in pencil, you do yours in pencil because you'll be rubbing out some lines. So now we're going to do the other side. So we're going to go up, come back down to match this point, and then kick out. Okay, so you want the bottom and the top to be the same. So now finish off the tail of the fish. The one goes in, and you're curving it back in, and it just hits like that. Then we have our fins at the top. So again, we're curving, so you're coming up and kicking out like that, and back in. So up and kicking back out. We're just going to do a little fin. That one's like a little because it's coming from the other side. Now, we've got the scales of the fish, but the face of the fish curls around like that. Okay, his eye. And then for the lips, we're just going to do it. We want them to have a bit of substance to them. The scales, and start at the front and work your way back. So then the next scale sort of starts on that one there and goes back. And then we'll just do this little fin here as well. So again, you do yours in pencil, and then you'd rub out this line here. So it looks like this little fin is coming in front of it. And then the scales going back. So work your way backwards with the scales. See how I go back there like that? Put a little one there. And keep going backwards. Back and back. Like that. See how we go? And I tend to stop just about there for the tail. So that's your fish. So very simple fish, and then getting a little bit more complicated, putting a bit more detail into them.